Hey guys, we've got a BMW E46 and today we're going to be looking at the boot lid. Now the boot lid is, this car's 18 years old now, and basically the boot weighs a ton. So when I open it, it's basically a bit of a heavyweight training exercise, and that's because these struts, you see these struts here? They're basically worn out. And they're not doing what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to help support the weight of the lid as you open it, but they're literally doing nothing. And if you look at the opposite side, it's pretty much the same. You can see these are the original ones on there since 18 years. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace these out. I've got a new set, so if we have a quick look, so I've got this new set now. Now this actually was the set came for 10 quid off eBay, so they're not expensive and they're real easy to change. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and let's give it a shot. This little clip and just pull it back. So just get your screwdriver in there like that, a bit more, and it comes straight off. And the same at the bottom, just here, same here again. So right here, we're just going to get a screwdriver in there. And you can see it's come off. I mean, it's pretty battered. That's off. You can see that. And to put the new one on, it's really easy. So we've got a new one, and you need to make sure that that when this goes on, the new one goes on, it goes on exactly the same way. You don't want to be putting it on like this because it's not going to work. So same way as before, and this time you just push it on, simple. And same at the bottom. That's that. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So remember, just so to repeat the process, get the screwdriver in there, pull that clip out. There you go. Same at the bottom down here. There you go. That's that. And then if we get the new one, which is just here. Now remember, we just put it on, clip it on there. Oh, done. Now, so you can see, brand new ones on. Here's the old ones, right? So that's both of the new ones on now. It took literally 5 minutes, just a bit longer on the video just to explain it. But now, what we're going to do is do a quick test. So now what we'll do is we'll give it a close. It sounds a lot better now as well. And if you go and open it for me. So if we try and open it now. Yep, much better now, much better. And that's it, pretty straightforward. Just change the struts. Like I said, these are £10 for the pair, not just for one, they're £10 for the pair off eBay. So you know, there's another little mod that you can do on these, which is a little spring that goes on here. So when you click the unlock of the boot, the boot actually just flies open, like on some of the E60s and the E90s and stuff nowadays. Hold on, let me get that piece of clip that's on the side. So yeah, I might try and add a little spring here. If I can get hold of that spring, I'll make a little video on it. But that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Please sub the channel. Easy way to change your bootless struts. I mean, my ones were 18 years old. Let's have a look at them again. They're pretty battered. But anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Sub the channel, like the video. Peace out.